Corgi is one of the world's leading brands in the production of tire repair machinery and equipment. The company is known for its high-quality products and advanced technology, meeting the needs of the automotive industry from small cars to heavy trucks. Among the featured products, the Corgi HD 1800 Hydrus heavy-duty tire changer is a machine designed to support the easy, fast, and safe mounting and dismounting of large tires. The machine uses advanced hydraulic technology, combined with automatic mechanisms to ensure high efficiency and minimize risks for the operator. All dismounting, mounting, and clamping operations are supported by a hydraulic system, reducing labor and increasing work speed. The machine is equipped with an adjustable hydraulic arm, using a bead separator to pry the tire bead off the rim. Hydraulic pressure ensures that the tire bead is easily separated, even with hard tires or tires that are stuck to the rim. The turntable is adjustable to accommodate a wide range of tire sizes, from standard truck tires to large construction tires. The integrated inflation system provides precise pressure control, ensuring that the tire is properly inflated and there is no risk of explosion. The new tire is aligned and placed on the rim via the turntable. The hydraulic arm holds the tire firmly, ensuring no misalignment during installation. The bead prior automatically brings the tire bead into place. The turntable rotates in the opposite direction to support the bead to hug the rim tightly. The Corgi HD 1800 Hydrus heavy-duty tire changer is the optimal solution for professional garages and truck service centers. With advanced technology and powerful operation, the machine not only improves work efficiency, but also ensures safety and high precision. Profil Plus is one of the leading tire supply and tire maintenance networks in Europe. The company focuses on providing optimal tire solutions for both personal, commercial, and industrial vehicles, with the goal of continuously improving performance, safety, and convenience. Profil Plus applies modern technologies in the tire disassembly and mounting process, especially using tire handling cranes to serve heavy trucks and industrial equipment. Using tire handling cranes in the tire disassembly and mounting process of large trucks and industrial equipment helps increase efficiency, minimize the risk of work accidents, and protect the tire structure. This method helps reduce the risk of back and hand injuries for employees when handling heavy tires, especially truck tires and industrial equipment tires. The disassembly and mounting process is automated and maximally supported, saving time compared to manual methods. The grab crane helps to operate precisely, avoiding damage to the tire or rim. Can handle large-sized tires, weighing up to hundreds of kilograms, suitable for heavy trucks, construction vehicles, and agricultural vehicles. Profil Plus uses an automatic sensor and control system to locate and adjust the clamping force in real time, minimizing errors. Before proceeding, technicians will check the tire condition, look for wear, cracks, or other damage on the tire and rim. Then, determine the tire size to ensure that the grab crane is used according to the size and weight of the tire. The technician will release all remaining air in the tire to ensure safety. The crane is adjusted to match the position of the tire to be removed. The camera system or sensor support helps to align accurately. The crane's clamps are designed to adjust the clamping force, ensuring no damage to the tire or rim. The crane gently lifts and rotates the tire to separate the tire from the rim. The hydraulic system helps lift heavy tires easily and safely. In the event that the tire is stuck to the rim, the technician can use a special tool to loosen the connection before the crane operates. The rim is cleaned to remove dirt or rust, ensuring that the new tire can fit properly. Ensure that the new tire has no manufacturing defects and is the right size for the rim. The new tire is picked up by the crane and aligned precisely to the rim. The clamp is adjusted to ensure even pressure without deforming the tire. The crane gently presses the tire onto the rim, using precise hydraulic pressure to ensure the tire is properly installed. After pressing, the technician checks the entire circumference to ensure the tire is not loose. The tire is inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure. The technician uses a balance gauge to ensure that the tire and rim do not vibrate when the vehicle is in operation. All joints, pressures, and tightness are thoroughly checked before completion. Profo Plus not only provides modern technology, but also trains a team of professional technicians, ensuring customers always receive safe, efficient, and reliable service. REMA TipTop is a world leader in tire repair, maintenance, and surface reinforcement solutions. With over 100 years of experience, REMA TipTop is renowned for its high-quality materials, advanced technology, and modern machinery for tire repair and maintenance. One of their outstanding methods is single-direction tire repair using specialized materials and vulcanizing machines. Before repairing, the technician will inspect the tire using a testing machine to determine the exact location and extent of the damage, combined with an assessment of whether the tire can be repaired based on safety standards. REMA then removes dirt, grease, or foreign objects on the tire surface with their special cleaning solution and uses a grinding tool to clean the area around the damage. REMA TipTop offers a variety of patching materials suitable for each type of damage, such as cold patch, suitable for small repairs, hot patch for cases that require strong reinforcement, such as large tears or damage to the tire sidewall. The patching material is designed with a tightly bonded rubber layer, good heat and pressure resistance. A layer of specialized REMA TipTop adhesive is applied to the area to be patched. Then the patching material is placed in the correct position, ensuring there are no air pockets or wrinkles. The REMA tip-top vulcanizer uses a heat and pressure system to create a strong bond between the patching material and the tire. Set the temperature and cure time according to the manufacturer's recommendations, usually around 150 degrees Celsius for 20 to 40 minutes, depending on the size of the damage. The vulcanizer has flexible heating plates, ensuring that the heat is evenly distributed over the patching area. The hydraulic pressure system holds the patching material firmly throughout the process. Upon completion, the technician checks the adhesion and flatness of the patch, ensuring that the patch has fully restored its original functionality. Using REMA tip-top materials and vulcanizers is an advanced, efficient, and sustainable tire repair solution. The one-way repair method not only ensures tire durability, but also saves costs and protects the environment. Marangoni is one of the world leaders in tire retreading and is particularly renowned for its RETREAD system, an advanced tire retreading technology for truck tires. With over 70 years of experience, Marangoni not only offers a cost-effective solution, but also contributes to environmental protection by reusing old tires. RETREAD is a proprietary tire retreading technology that uses a procured tread ring instead of the traditional strip-shaped rubber tread. It is the only system that offers the same grip and durability as a new tire, thanks to its unique design and optimized retreading process. Marangoni's tire retreading process includes specialized equipment and technology to ensure precision and quality at every step. The ITR tire tread inspection system detects any tire tread defects, ensuring that only usable tires are reconditioned. The Rapido high-speed polisher then removes the worn tread and prepares the casing for regeneration with unparalleled precision. The ground surface is cleaned to remove dirt and grease. Marangoni's specialist adhesive is used to ensure a tight bond between the tread ring and the old tire. The TRM tire reconditioner includes RINGTREAD preparation machines for application, ensuring precision in tread size and shape. The RINGTREAD is stretched and precisely placed onto the tire using the ring applicator machine, ensuring no gaps or misalignment. The AUTOPRESS vulcanization system applies uniform heat and pressure, ensuring the tread is firmly bonded to the tire casing. The tire is placed in the vulcanization oven, where pressure and temperature are strictly controlled to complete the bonding process. The temperature is typically set at 150 to 160 degrees Celsius. The vulcanization time depends on the tire size and tread ring type. Ensure finished tires meet stringent performance and safety standards. Use X-ray inspection systems to detect internal irregularities, confirming the structural integrity of remanufactured tires. Retreaded tires using the RINGTREAD system can deliver up to 90% performance compared to new tires at a fraction of the cost. By extending the life of truck tires, the system helps reduce waste and conserve raw materials. RINGTREAD models can be customized for specific applications, such as long-haul, regional, or off-road use. Marangoni emphasizes sustainable practices by recycling and reusing tire casings that would otherwise contribute to environmental waste. Their advanced retreading technologies reflect the trucking industry's commitment to reducing carbon emissions. tread regrooving is a method of extending the life of a tire, especially on truck, bus, or specialty tires such as construction tires. The process involves cutting additional grooves into the existing tread surface, improving traction, and extending the time between replacements. This method is performed on specialty radial tires with the regroovable symbol, which is approved by the manufacturer, not on passenger tires or tires not designed for tread regrooving. First, the technician uses a tread depth gauge to determine the current level of wear and whether the tire is eligible for regrooving. Look for signs of damage, such as deep cuts, bulges, or cracks. Make sure the rubber under tread is thick enough to allow for deep regrooving without disturbing the steel cords or other structural layers. Set the cutter to the appropriate depth, making sure not to exceed the substrate limit. Using the tread cutter, move the cutter slowly and steadily along the marked groove, ensuring that the cut is even and does not tear or damage the tire surface. After each groove cut, recheck the depth and quality of the cut and adjust if necessary. Use a brush or compressed air to remove rubber dust and debris after cutting. Make sure all grooves are evenly deep and free of cracks or damage. If the tread deepening process affects the weight distribution, perform dynamic balancing to ensure stable tire operation. Some countries or regions have regulations on the use of tread deepening tires, especially on public vehicles or long-haul trucks. Tread deepening is an effective solution to extend tire life and optimize operating costs. However, to ensure safety and effectiveness, this process must be performed carefully, using the right equipment and following technical regulations.